The Lebanon County District Attorney is seeking the death penalty against 2 of 3 men who allegedly committed last week's triple homicide in Lebanon. Both have to be found guilty before a separate jury would make the decision to sentence them to death or life in prison. Early in the year, the governor announced that he would not sign off on any executions while he is in office. Fox 43's Alyssa Kratz joining us now with more on how this could all play out.
That's right, Evan. Governor Shapiro continuing that moratorium that was put in place by former Governor Tom Wolf. And in fact, the last execution here in Pennsylvania was all the way back in 1999. But prosecutors, they're not letting that stop them from doing what they believe is right.
How someone else chooses to do his job does not affect the way that I do mine.
Lebanon County's District Attorney Pier Hess Graf standing firm on her decision to seek the death penalty against 2 of 3 alleged shooters in the May 30th triple homicide in Lebanon. This comes 4 months after Governor Josh Shapiro said he will not sign off on any executions while in office.
2 critical truths became clear to me about capital sentencing in our Commonwealth. The system is fallible, and the outcome is irreversible.
Back in February, the governor said his opinion on capital punishment evolved during his time as Attorney General. And while he previously supported the death penalty for the most heinous crimes, he soon found himself changing his mind.
When my son asked me why it was okay to kill someone who killed someone else, I couldn't look him in the eye and answer that question.
Those 2 suspects in Lebanon are charged with taking the lives of an 8-year-old, a 9-year-old, and a 19-year-old.
Those men and women who are in other positions, inherently political positions, they didn't look into the eyes of that mother and have to explain your 8-year-old and your 9-year-old are dead. They're not coming back. I did. The police did.
Hess Graf says it's also possible Shapiro won't be governor by the time these cases reach that point.
Death penalty cases take longer. They're more serious. There's another additional phase to a trial in addition to guilt or innocence. It's then up to a jury for life or death.
She isn't the only prosecutor to make this decision lately. The Lancaster County DA is also seeking the death penalty against Jason Shackelford, who's charged with raping and killing a 12-year-old girl earlier this year. And not only that, Governor Shapiro is also calling on state lawmakers to abolish the death penalty in Pennsylvania completely. Now, we did reach out to his office requesting a comment for this story, but did not hear back. Alyssa Kratz, Fox 43 News.